Besides, keeping you busy might be a good way to deal with your amnesia. I don't give a shit why you want to find this Thriller guy. I mind my own business. If you want to kill him, well, you must have your reason.
Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel GLT Rex Kinematic Stacker 2025 first trailer. The main character of this trailer, Jason Statham, as the Wolf Harper. In the post-apocalyptic and world farmer soldier Jack the
So,
Wolf
Marked
Hamper
One,
is
I
hired to retrieve
saved
a
you, and
powerful
I'm not going to
artifact from the
pretend I did
deadly
it to
Carnival
win
Exclusion
favors
Zone. This trailer will release
upstairs.
in 2025, and this trailer, as they venture deeper into the heart of the zone, the faces
You do
mutant,
some jobs
dangerous
for
anomalies. The
me,
rival Stalker
and
Hyle is
we're even.
uncovering dark secret about the artifact's true power. With the running out, Jack must decide how far he's willing to go for survival and whether the artifact is worth
Besides,
the cost.
keeping you
The center
busy
of
might be a
attraction
good
is
way
the
to
full of
deal with it.
brutal and full of the fighting. In this trailer, we will see sometime the pursuit of power on survival can lead us to lose our humanity. True intent lies in knowing when to let go and what to fight for. In a world where the zone offers power at a break, Jack's journey that the choices we make, especially when
It
faced
might be
with
a good way to
desperation,
deal with
define who
your
we are. The
amnesia.
value of human connection, integrity, and understanding the
I don't
consequences
give a
of
shit
one
why
action
you
become
want to
clearer
find
as they
this
navigate
Thriller
the horror of
guy.
the
I
zone.
mind
A
my own
former allied
business.
soldier, mercenary, Jack is tough,
If you want
resourceful,
to
and a
kill
master
him,
of survival. He has
well,
been top
you must have
contenders
your
for Zone
reason.
and the dangerous environment that is drawn into the carnival exclusion zone now, home to certain anomalies, dangerous mutant, and artifact to immense power by a mystery
Well,
mission. Joy programmatic and innocent, Jack is not one for a lot of talk, but when he speaks, it usually with sharp precision. He's driven by the need to complete his mission, but there are also sense of weariness about him, perhaps due to the
besides,
past
keeping you
trauma
busy
or
might be
loss.
a good way
Despite
to
his
deal with
hardened
your
exterior, he
amnesia.
occasionally shows glimpses of moral conflict, especially as he
I don't
navigates the
give a
morally
shit
grim
why
world
you
of the
want
zoo.
to
Expert in
find this
hand-to-hand
Thriller
combat, armor,
guy. I
and
mind my
survival
own
tactics, his
business.
military background, and the
If
experience
you
in
want to
high-risk
kill him,
operation make him
well,
an
you
ideal
must have
person to
your
navigate
reason.
the dangerous and the unpredictable world of the zone. Jack hired to retrieve a rare and valuable artifact from the deep within the zone. As he entered the treacherous
Well,
landscape, the
good
encounter
hunting,
her stalker, mutant,
stalkers.
and possibility shadow government agency, all seeking the artifact for their own purpose. Along the way, he faces ethical dilemmas and physical challenges, slowly uncovering the mystery of the zone and its effect on both the environment and the people who venture into it. Hope you will enjoy this video. Like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice time.